Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Eunice from Grimacy. We have more than 23 years experience in metal melting industry. Today, I will introduce our 80 kilogram electric induction furnace to you. It is very suitable for aluminum die casting machine trial mode. Follow me, I'm going to show you the details of it. First one is main furnace. $18 kilogram graphite crucible. Thermocouple. Fans for cooling. The second part is electric control box. Power switch. The advantage is small size and movable. Fast efficiency. Melting a furnace of aluminum water in 2 hours. It is very easy to operate and maintain. That's all for today. Any interest of our products, feel free to contact us. Thanks for your watching.